Question 1. An Azure administrator needs to implement a backup solution specifically for Azure file shares and Azure blob containers, ensuring enhanced security features like immutability. Which Azure backup entity is purpose-built for these modern cloud-native storage workloads? Option A, Azure Recovery Services Vault. Option B, Azure Storage Account with Snapshots. Option C, Azure Backup Vault. Option D, Azure Disk Snapshot. The correct answer is Azure Backup Vault. Here's the explanation. The Azure Backup Vault is a newer, specialized entity designed to protect modern cloud workloads, including Azure file shares, Azure blob containers, Azure Virtual Machines, IaaS, and Azure SQL/SAP HANA in VMs, offering enhanced security and immutability. Question 2. A company has configured an Azure Backup Vault and is concerned about the accidental or malicious deletion of critical backup data. They want to ensure that once backups are taken, they cannot be modified or deleted for a specific period, even by users with high privileges. Which two features of Azure Backup Vault would best address this requirement? Option A, resource locks and cross-region restore. Option B, soft delete and managed identities. Option C, immutable vaults and soft delete. Option D, private endpoints and RBAC. The correct answer is immutable vaults and soft delete. Here's the explanation. Soft delete retains deleted backups for a configurable period, providing a first line of defense against accidental deletion. Immutable vaults offer an additional asterisk layer of protection by preventing any modification or deletion of backup data for a specified duration, even by privileged users, thus addressing the requirement for stronger protection against malicious actions. Question 3. An Azure Backup Vault needs to securely communicate with Azure virtual machines and storage accounts within the same subscription to perform backup and restore operations without requiring explicit credentials. Additionally, all backup traffic must remain on the private network. Which two features, respectively, enable this secure authentication and private network communication? Option A, Azure Active Directory Groups and Network Security Groups. Option B, Managed Identities and Private Endpoints. Option C, Shared Access Signatures and Virtual Network Peering. Option D, Service Endpoints and Role-Based Access Control. The correct answer is Managed Identities and Private Endpoints. Question 4. What is the primary purpose of implementing backup policies in a cloud environment? Option A, to define ad hoc backup procedures for manual execution. Option B, to ensure efficient and effective data restoration, minimizing downtime and meeting regulatory requirements. Option C, to solely manage the storage location and tier of backup copies. Option D, to replace disaster recovery and business continuity plans entirely. The correct answer is, quote, to ensure efficient and effective data restoration, minimizing downtime, and meeting regulatory requirements. Here's the explanation. Backup policies provide a structured, consistent, and auditable approach to data protection, ensuring data can be restored efficiently and effectively, minimizing downtime, and meeting regulatory requirements. They are a cornerstone of any robust disaster recovery and business continuity plan, not a replacement. Question 5. Which key feature of a cloud backup policy is specifically designed to protect backup data from being altered or deleted for a specified period, even by administrators, making it crucial for ransomware protection and compliance? Option A, encryption. Option B, compliance tags/labels. Option C, immutability, write once, read many, worm. Option D, cost management. The correct answer is immutability, write once, read many, worm. Here's the explanation. Immutability, worm, ensures that backup data, once written, cannot be altered or deleted for a specified period, providing strong protection against ransomware and aiding compliance requirements. Question 6. An administrator configures a backup policy to take hourly snapshots of a critical virtual machine. How does this specific setting primarily influence the recovery point objective, RPO, and recovery time objective, RTO? Option A. It increases RPO and decreases RTO. Option B. It decreases RPO and has minimal direct impact on RTO. Option C. It decreases RTO and has minimal direct impact on RPO. Option D. It increases both RPO and RTO. The correct answer is, it decreases RPO and has minimal direct impact on RTO. Here's the explanation. Hourly snapshots mean more frequent recovery points, thus reducing the potential data loss, RTO, which is about how quickly data can be restored, is more influenced by the storage tier and restoration mechanisms, not directly by backup frequency alone. Question 7. An organization is defining its disaster recovery strategy. They are particularly concerned with minimizing the maximum acceptable amount of data loss. Which metric are they primarily focusing on? Option A. Recovery time objective, RTO. Option B. Recovery point objective, RPO. Option C. Mean time to recovery, MTTR. Option D. Service level agreement, SLA. The correct answer is Recovery point objective, RPO. Here's the explanation. Recovery point objective, RPO, defines the maximum acceptable amount of data loss, directly influenced by how frequently backups are taken. Recovery time objective, RTO, defines the maximum acceptable downtime. MTTR is about how long it takes to recover, and SLA is a broader agreement. Question 8. For a critical database server running on a VM, which type of backup consistency is highly recommended to ensure data integrity and prevent corruption upon restoration? Option A. Crash consistent backup. Option B. File consistent backup. Option C. Application consistent backup. Option D. Disk consistent backup. The correct answer is Application consistent backup. Here's the explanation. Application consistent backups ensure that applications like databases have flushed all pending transactions to disk and are in a consistent state before the snapshot is taken, leveraging services like VSS Windows or FS-Freeze Linux. This guarantees data integrity upon restoration, unlike crash-consistent backups which capture the state as if power was suddenly pulled. Question 9. To protect against ransomware attacks and accidental deletion of backup data, which critical security feature should be enabled for cloud VM backups? Option A. Cross-region replication. Option B. Granular file-level recovery. Option C. Immutability. Write once, read many. Option D. Automated backup schedules. The correct answer is immutability. Write once, read many. Here's the explanation. Immutability, write once, read many, or WORM, is a crucial security feature that prevents backup data from being modified, encrypted, or deleted for a specified period, even by administrators with high privileges. This provides a strong defense against ransomware, accidental deletion, and insider threats. Cross-region replication is for DR, granular recovery for specific data, and schedules for automation, but none offer the same level of protection against modification as immutability. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.